This is a guided meditation, trusting the inner path. Begin by finding a comfortable seat or allowing yourself to lie down. Let your body be supported by the chair, by the floor, by the earth beneath you. Begin by taking a slow breath in through the nose and gently exhale through the mouth. Again, inhale, allowing the fullest expression of your lungs. Exhaling out, letting go of any urgency to do this right. There is nothing to fix, nothing to solve, only space to listen. Begin by breathing in and breathing out, allowing all that was from the day to fade away. And as you breathe in, I want you to pay attention to the heart space. This is your divine connection to all that is. It is the space where you hold compassion for yourself and for others. And as you breathe in, I want you to visualize the sun entering into this heart space, expanding the lungs, allowing you to soften, allowing you to feel, allowing the energy of comfort, support, and divine guidance and flow to filter through your entire being. Again, as you breathe in, bring your awareness to this image of the sun. See it clearly. Feel its warmth, vibrant, steady, and alive. And with this next breath, imagine as the sunlight gently pours down from above, entering at the top of your head. This light is intelligent. It knows exactly where to go. And it moves, opening each energy center, allowing that divine flow to begin throughout your body, awakening that very vibrancy within your energy flow, bringing clarity, comfort, and connection. I want you to focus on the root chakra. This is at the base of your spine, connected with safety, comfort, and support. And as the sun reaches this space, imagine it slowing down, supporting and grounding that energy. This is where you begin to feel safe and supported, and that you belong. Breathe into that energy center, opening the vibrancy of safety, comfort, and stability. Affirming, I am grounded, I am supported, I am safe within my body. I am grounded, I am supported, I am safe within my body. Feel as the energy of the sun begins to open and move what was once closed, where support may not have felt. And from this space, begin to see yourself connecting in with the very earth beneath you. It reminds you that you are an intuitive being in an earthly body, supported by the very vibrancy of this earth. It is trustworthy, it is safe, and wisdom can rise deep from within you. Allow yourself to feel the support of the earth, knowing that as you walk this path, you are guided, you are supported, and you are safe. Breathe in, relaxing the body, opening the energy of safety. As you begin to breathe in again, this energy flow begins to move within the sacral energy, this creativity, flow, and the energy of sensation, passion, and desire. Notice where there's tightness, constriction, and breathe into that space, allowing it to soften. Allow for the energy to begin to move like water, fluid and expressive and alive. Affirming, I allow myself to feel. I trust in my creative flow. My intuition speaks through sensation and emotion, and it flows. I allow myself to feel. I trust in my creative flow, and my intuition speaks through sensation and emotion, and it flows. Breathing into this energy center, expanding into the energy of desire and passion, creativity. Allowing yourself to take up space in this energy center, knowing that everything that you're here to create and birth is coming into fruition. And as you breathe in, expand the lungs just a little bit further. Exhaling out, beginning to feel that energy of creativity. On this next breath, this energy moves into the solar plexus, the seat of personal power, of trust in oneself. Let this energy rise into this energy center, the center of confidence and trust, and feel the warmth gathering here, ready for inner strength to rise through. This is where you sense your yes is a yes, and you allow your no to be a no. This is your inner compass for what is right for you. Breathe into this energy center, allowing yourself to take up space for who you are. Breathe in, expanding the lungs one layer deeper. Again, allowing that energy flow to move and create power within you, reminding you of your divine sovereignty. I trust in myself. I trust in my inner knowing. My intuition guides me clearly and calmly. I trust myself. I trust in my inner knowing. My intuition guides me clearly and calmly. And notice how your intuitive understanding begins to rise further and further within your body, coming from that grounded place of energy flow, safety, comfort, creativity, passion, and autonomy. Breathing in, allowing yourself to expand one layer deeper into this experience. As this energy moves into the heart space, let it expand gently across the chest and the shoulders, the upper back, This is where intuition meets compassion, where truth meets love. It is this energy flow of divine connection. As you breathe in, allow that energy center to expand, creating space for you to connect with the divine energy flow. I am connected to myself, to others, to something greater. I listen with an open heart. I am connected to myself, to others, to something greater. And I listen with an open heart. Begin to feel the energy of ease, of being supported, knowing that you are not alone on this path, but guided always. Breathing into the heart space, allowing the shoulders to soften, allowing that chest energy to expand, reminding you of your inner divinity and flow. As this energy moves into the throat chakra, it opens your expression and inner alignment to speak what is right for you in this season, in this moment, and on your path. Allow the light energy to move into the throat. This is where intuition becomes vocal, where inner knowing finds language. Notice the space here opening and clearing, beginning to unravel all strain, worry, or discomfort. I express my truth with ease. I trust what needs to be said and what wants to remain quiet. I express my truth with ease. I trust what wants to be said and what wants to remain quiet. Allow that divine energy flow to resonate within your entire being. Again, rooting into your very existence, allowing the energy flow to guide your communication, to help you express and feel in alignment with that expression, and allow the world to understand your voice. Breathing in, allowing yourself to sink in a little further. As this energy moves into the forehead, it is the third eye, this inner vision, your ability to perceive beyond logic, your insight, your intuition. Notice where clarity is beginning to form, where feelings and understanding, these images of what's meant to be, affirming, I see clearly, I trust what I perceive. My intuition reveals what I need to know as I need to know it. I see clearly, I trust in what I perceive, and my intuition reveals what I need to know as I need to know it. Breathing into this energy center, allowing your vision to come forward, opening this space for divine intervention, allowing this to expand into what is and far into beyond. Breathe in, allowing yourself to sink in a little bit further into this experience. And as this energy moves into the crown, it is your divine support for all that is. Allow the light to return, filtering through your energy center, feeling the connection between you and something greater. This source energy, divine support, universal intelligence. You are not meant to do this alone. Breathe in and affirm, I am guided, I am supported, and I trust the unfolding. I am guided, I am supported, and I trust the unfolding. Breathe in, envisioning all of the energy centers beginning to illuminate within you. This divine support and flow of all that is. From this grounded state and open awareness, invite an image of yourself in this year ahead. Not the goal, not the checklist, but you, moving through life with deeper trust. Notice, how do you carry yourself? How does your body feel? How are your decisions made differently from this deep place of connection? See yourself pausing and listening, moving through this year. You begin to trust in your timing, honoring your pace, and allowing the path to reveal itself. There is support all around you, the seen and the unseen. You are never behind. You are right where you need to be. Let this image expand into your body as a feeling, as an inner knowing, as the very vibrant vision that is ahead. Take a few deep breaths here, inviting that clarity, opening that energy, and allowing all that's meant to be to come in with greater ease. Breathe in, expanding this energy within your entire space, remembering what all is possible. Take a slow, deep breath in and an easy breath out. Breathing in that energy and vibrancy, relaxing the body, feeling grounded, feeling supported, and ever present. As you breathe in, expand that vision one layer deeper and see yourself on the other side. You are grounded, you are supported. You are a divine being on a divine path, living in divine purpose. Take a slow breath in, feeling your body coming back into the room. Exhaling out this safety, support, and comfort. Begin to carry this energy with you each day as you have something new on the horizon and ahead. Your intuition speaks to you in all of these layers. Your intuition guides you and knows the way. It is you that must honor the listening and the stillness and the creation itself. Again, breathe in one last time as you begin to ground back into this space. May you honor the energy flow that supports you and be guided throughout today.